¿Hay algún lugar que podamos hacer como y nos regresamos por otro lado?
No, sí, mira, nos vamos a ir por otro lado, sí.
Y nos regresamos. O sea, algo que nos lleve.
Okay, so by now you probably saw that we were riding and walking and it started raining and we're drenched. I'm here with my sister, so I feel a little weird because I've never recorded a video with anybody and she's certainly never been close to me when I make anything like this. But I love her and she's one of my best friends, so it shouldn't be too weird, really. I'm not sure what I want to talk about today. I had a plan and I sort of wrote a video that I wanted to do, and I'm sort of doing that. But I wasn't feeling too good in the morning, if I'm being honest. Oh, nope. Oh. Because of the rain, when the wind moves the trees, like there's a bunch of like drops and I don't want them to get on the camera. But anyways, I was gonna make a video and I'm still making it, but I was gonna talk about something, I'm not sure what, and I just wasn't feeling that well. And I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna be creative for the sake of being creative. I'm gonna chill about trying to make something, and I'm gonna do something that I like, which I had a lot of fun making the storyboard. I'll show it to you later. And yeah, so I'm doing that. It was a lot of fun. We got, like, I hadn't been in the rain in forever, and it's a Sunday, and I still have things to do because this week is gonna be crazy. But yeah, for now I'm just enjoying my time. Happy Sunday. So we've been out all day and it turns out that it's like 3 p.m. So we're gonna go back home, chill for a little bit, maybe go to a coffee shop, but maybe not because it's been a rainy day, we're all wet, and we just want to be cozy, and yeah.
Hey guys, so right now we are home, we're back, we went grocery shopping and we got food to make delicious food that my sister is cooking right now in the kitchen, and it's gonna be so good and I can't wait. And so right now I'm gonna do homework because tomorrow is Monday, so I need to be ready, and my sister is gonna cook, and then maybe I'll see you later after we eat, and yeah. So, yeah, I think I'm gonna wrap it up here. Maybe I'll show you what we're eating because it looks so good. It's like a really nice version of a mac and cheese. And that's it. This was my Sunday. I did homework, which is nice. And now I'm gonna eat delicious food with my sister, and hopefully another friend will come. And yeah, thank you for watching. Have a good week.